Hi, Miss Graves.
Hey, how are you?
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm glad it's not raining right now.
I know,
I,
it's weird today.
I got kind of soaked this morning
Did you?
setting up my hoses to clean the carpet.
Oh,
So,
okay.
Miss Graves, before I forget, I want to give you this.
Oh.
I would have gave it to you last night, but you guys had you weren't here when I locked up.
Oh, okay.
This is some jewelry that was in the bathroom,
Okay.
sitting up on the window
Okay.
ledge.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you.
just put it in a bag and I put it in my
Okay.
car because I wanted to
Okay.
secure it for you guys.
Okay.
I want to make sure you got it.
Okay.
And-
All right. Wow.
Yeah, carpet came out good to be.
Yeah, it did.
How old is it?
Old.
Old?
I think original. I want to say
Original?
original.
Over
Yeah.
20 years old?
Yeah, over 20.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, over 20. Yeah.
Yeah, it came out good.
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
Yeah, so we got I even cleaned out the fireplace real good and cleaned the glass on the
Okay.
fireplace.
Okay.
This wood in here in the kitchen, it came out really good. We washed it with the Murphy's oil soap,
Okay. Yeah, it did.
and then I used the what was the stuff on it? I used the Old English oil, like I told
Uh-huh.
you.
Okay.
Came out real good. It's like real shiny.
Okay.
And we got the blinds over there. We oiled those,
Okay.
cleaned those off for you too.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
cleaned all the drawers out and wiped down the front with the Murphy's oil,
Okay.
and then we put the other oil on it.
Okay. All right.
Came out really
Yeah,
good.
that's good.
So over here in this spot, you had some rust stains over here,
Yeah, I saw that.
and I was able to get them all out
Okay.
because this carpet over here was in really good shape. So they'll probably
Yeah.
keep this room
Right.
and this one,
was good
and this
for-
one was like brand new,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? So that came out real good.
Okay. All right.
Got all the ceiling fans. We got all the light covers, the dead bugs. We even washed this for you right here. Those
The
are cleaned up.
doors?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, that's good. I'm gonna take the curtains home and wash them, not those, but the other ones, so we can have something up.
And we got all the vents. We cleaned all the vents out. This one had a lot of
good.
dust
Yeah,
in
it
it.
did.
Yeah. We got all of those.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Want to make sure you're happy and everything.
Yeah, no,
We
it's
did the
good.
windows yesterday because I kind of thought it was going to rain today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Based
No,
on what the weatherman was saying.
you get the lights and everything.
Yeah, we
So
got-
leave the fans on for a little
Yeah,
while.
getting it dried up.
Okay.
So, Miss Graves, this floor in here, I don't know what it had on it, but it came
I
off like
know.
gooey stuff.
Yeah.
So, and it wasn't a flat surface. So what we did was we put hot water down and let it soak.
Okay.
And I had a brush and we scrubbed it real
Okay.
good. And then I steamed it out with hot water.
Okay,
So
yeah.
we got most of it up. I don't know
Okay.
what it was. It's
I
like
think it
somebody
was
put
like-
wax on it,
I think it was like hairspray residue.
hairspray residue.
Uh-huh.
Well, it was a lot of it.
Yeah, or either that or baby powder. I don't know. It was one of the two. Yeah. No, that was good. Yeah. No,
Right,
good.
and we polished. I took the light bulbs down. Those
Uh-huh.
what they call them, show light bulbs.
Yeah.
I took those down. I dusted them off real
Oh,
good.
good.
I cleaned
Yeah.
them off. I put them back up there.
Okay.
Do you know that it was dust off inside of the hole where the light bulb screwed in?
Yeah, I didn't know that. Yeah.
And I took my attachment from the vacuum and I just sucked the
Okay.
dust out.
Okay.
Now this little this handle on the that was on there, it was loose, hanging, and I tightened it up a little bit, but it's not all the way secure.
I know. It's got a. Yeah. It's stripped something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we did
All
that.
right. Okay. Well, looks good.
Oh, well, good. This clean this off. I polished this right here, all the
Okay,
wood.
good.
Got that
Yeah,
shined
that's
up,
nice.
polished
Yeah.
too.
Okay.
Bathroom came out real good. You didn't check this one.
Oh,
This
yeah.
one, the toilet had a really bad ring inside of it.
did.
So we got that ring out of there,
Okay. Good.
cleaned up real
Yeah.
good. And when I polished this, man, it looks totally different.
Yeah, it does.
It
Now,
came
is this
out
just
real good.
leaking or- oh no, it's okay. Yeah. All right. Well, looks good.
Oh, well, I'm glad you're happy.
Yeah. No, it looks fine.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Well, is it okay if I write you a check?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
So I just wanted to make sure you walk through here that you and your husband is happy with our work and
Yep.
everything.
Can we turn the sprinklers off?
They've been on for a long time too. I didn't know where to turn them off at.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we probably. I don't know. You can come turn them on later, I guess.
So, Miss Grace, how did you guys find us?
Just in the internet.
Was it Google?
It was Google.
Google?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Well,
you keep pretty busy?
well, I do stay pretty busy because I'm a multifaceted cleaning company, so I'm always doing something. If it's not carpets, it's floors, or maybe
Uh-huh.
house cleaning, or different things.
And actually, when I first called, I was actually going to go with Service Master, and I called and they said that they don't do residences anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So then I was just looking around for something else, and you're the first person I called.
Oh,
So,
well, good. I'm sure.
so who do I make this out to?
Excellence Janitorial Services.
Okay.
Well, I'm sure glad you and your husband gave us the opportunity. We really appreciate it.
No
And,
problem.
and congratulations, Mr. Graves, on your new home.
Oh, yeah.
Your wife
This
was,
stove looks good.
yeah, we polished that too.
Yeah, it looks good.
Looks good, thank you.
Yeah.
Your wife was telling me the house you got is bigger than this one. I thought you guys were gonna downsize.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Now, how many dogs do you have?
We don't have any.
And
None?
But we have, our kids have dogs, so they come from time to time and stay here.
Oh, I see, I see.
And it was, say that again, cleaning service?
Excellence Janitorial Services.
Excellent.
Yes.
I couldn't figure out how to get that off.
Services. What?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
I
on-
know.
it's on there
That
pretty
Apple
good.
thing? Dude, how
I
do you
made
put it
that,
in?
I put it on there, but I can't figure out
You
how.
must
Oh,
use
really?
super glue.
And all of the personal things that you have, I put them over there on the counter right there.
Okay, I saw them, so,
Yeah.
yeah.
Anything cool?
Well,
Okay, so $2,000?
yes.
And that's a check.
All right, well, thank you so much, Ms.
Okay,
Graves.
all right, well, thank you.
I really appreciate it.
All right,
And I hope if you get a chance that you go on Google and give us a review.
okay.
If you're happy with our service, which
Okay.
I hope you are today.
Yeah, very much so.
Well, thank you so much.
Okay,
All
all
right,
right.
you have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Drive
right.
safe, it'll be a little easier to drive home.
Yeah, I know. All right, thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Well, there we go. YouTube, Facebook, another happy customer. Well, we're going to call it a day here, wrapping it up. Job well done. We'll see you on the next one.